Welcome to Boston 25 News. This is Joey Wright here in the studio. Starting off today, we have our daily photo of Boston sent in by Boston local Julie Cardula. Look at the geography, man. Did you know that the Charles and Mystic rivers flow into Boston's inner harbor? The geography of the Earth affects the weather here due to the air currents and atmospheric circulation, which cause the sun to heat up the Earth more towards the equator, which then affects the Earth's surface. Fog and humidity are byproducts of Boston's close proximity to water. The Atlantic breezes help rank Boston among the country's windiest cities, occasionally blown into full-fledged storms, giving us citizens of Boston some unpleasant weather conditions compared to our warm summers. Hey, speaking of storms, let's head over to Rylin with the 5-day forecast. Let's go!
Thanks, Joey. Moving on, we have our 5-day weather forecast for Boston, Massachusetts. Over the next 5 days, we see temperatures continue to decrease as well as snowfall increasing. We have received almost 12 inches of snow in the last few days, and we are expected to see around 30 inches by the end of the week. As predicted, two storm systems with low pressure have merged and created heavy snow across the Northeast. A mass of warmer air has collided with a mass of very cold air. This cold air has cut under the warm air mass, and as the warm air mass continues to rise upwards, precipitation continues to occur, and that cold front has formed. That has led to a drop in Boston's temperatures as well as rapid winds. This collision of air masses has provided the atmospheric tension required for high wind speeds. The temperature gradient is the change in temperature over a specified distance between two locations, and this air pressure differential has led to the formation of winds as the atmosphere tries to equalize the air pressure. This winter storm is letting our nor'easters drive winter storms into northeastern-facing shores. The Weather Channel has officially named these weather conditions Blizzard Nemo. Now, let's head back to Bryce, who is actually reporting outside the studio, so you guys can get a look into what this blizzard is really looking like.
Yes, so as you can see, it's really downpouring out here due to the blizzard. These strong winds of the blizzard formed due to a difference in pressures between the systems. These pressure systems are considered a low pressure system, which is causing the stormy weather on the high pressure system on the backside. Looking at the Boston Doppler radar system, we can see that the difference in low pressure systems coming in, we see high level cirrus or low level cirrus clouds forming this cloud covering the area. Also, with the low pressure system, we can expect an increase in ocean currents in the moving offshore in the Atlantic. Locals can expect wind patterns to blow west to east with prevailing winds at 22 miles per hour due to the Coriolis effect. Freezing point in the area is 22 degrees Fahrenheit, and as the week progresses, we can expect the same climate to remain the same with the cold, windy weather. Now back to you, Joey.
Thanks, Bryce, for the update. Here are some extra photos we have received from Boston civilians. All public schools are said to be closed until conditions clear up, and make sure you follow storm trackers and stay inside and off the roads. Going into some sports now, our New England Patriots beat the Packers in the Super Bowl. The Boston Celtics took a W against the Spurs, where Jason Tatum scored 27 points and had 8 assists. Well, our teams have been doing pretty good. Well, this concludes our news broadcast.